Would you like to know what the 3 common makeup mistakes are? And if you take care of those, you can surely look like you're a professional makeup artist. Yes, it's possible. Hi, this is Imrana and you're watching Inaya Pearls. I'm the owner and founder of Inaya Pearls, my online jewelry store, also a trained makeup artist, and it's my deep desire to help all you beautiful women out there to look even more beautiful. So if you like topics like makeup, styling, skincare and the rest of it, continue to watch and please like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's talk about the 3 most common makeup mistakes which I have seen that people make, and that can be a game changer for your looks. Number 1 mistake that I've seen women make across the board, young, old and almost everybody, is the wrong shade of lipstick. Yes, lipstick can be a game changer for your makeup, for your look. If you ask me, the one most important thing that I carry in my bag all the time in my makeup, basically, that would be a lipstick. I don't leave the house without it. Now you must be wondering why. It's because even if you don't do any makeup, but if you just apply the right shade of lipstick, you can look glowing, you can look like you're put together. It can really do wonders for your face. Trust me, there are so many times, so many occasions where all I've done is just applied lipstick on my face and that's it, and people say, hey, you know, you look glowing and you look all like all well, everything's good. And I'm like, yeah, I have just just used lipstick here, but the shade has to be right. And there are occasions like I haven't the only thing I have not done is wear a lipstick, and people say, why are you looking so dull, and I hope you're feeling all right. And the only thing I've done is either it's a very nude shade of lipstick or no lipstick. So that's the power of it. I will try and put in some pictures to show you the difference between the wearing a right shade of lipstick, what it can do for you, and also if you wear. So I'm personally not a big fan of nude lipsticks because it's very difficult to understand what nude suits you. You know, a lot of people think, and let me also remind you one important point. Now, while certain shades may be in fashion or on trend, but if they don't suit your skin tone, your complexion, they're not going to make you look good. And what's the ultimate goal of makeup? You put your best face forward, then it makes you look your best, right? So while it may be on trend, certain shades, certain types of lipsticks, if they don't suit you, they don't suit you, and that's just something we all have to accept. But of course, makeup is a very personal choice, so you can take your call and see what works for you. I'm just telling you what my observation is, and also the logic behind why we use makeup. So that's the number 1 take. I have done an extensive video on how to match makeup to your clothes, and also how to match lipsticks to with your outfits, and also how to match lipstick with your skin tones. I'll link it up somewhere, either in the description or up here somewhere. Coming again now on the next topic, what's the second common makeup mistake? Eyebrows. Yes, again I've done a very extensive video on eyebrows and the power of eyebrows and how it can completely again transform your look. I've chosen 3 most common mistakes over here. So there are a lot of things which can go right or wrong in makeup, but these 3 according to me are the most important ones, and if you take care of this, you are sorted. So eyebrows, you can either go for an eye pencil, or you can go for the powder based eyeshadow palettes, eyebrow palettes. Like I use NYX, I like that a lot. I will link up in the description some of the palettes which you can use. So if you're an expert and you can really draw your eyebrows very well, then an eyebrow pencil would work for you. Otherwise, what I would suggest is you buy, you get this, either buy an eyebrow palette specially, and if you can't buy one due to any reason, then you can just use a combination of a black or brown eyeshadow. That's easier to manage and you'll make less mistakes. But even if you don't have a lipstick, let's assume you don't have a lipstick, and if you just take care of your eyebrows, your features look well defined, you just look put together. So now some of us are blessed with amazing eyebrows, and so this is not for them. Like I personally have non-existent eyebrows almost, so for me this was a game changer, and there can be many out there with the same kind of situation. Next, after that, lipstick is done. The first mistake, eyebrows, and the third one, again where a lot of people go wrong, what I've observed is your base or your foundation. Now let me just make it easy for all of you, because after all, if makeup is easy, then we can all do it better and we can always look our best version. Now it's not about being shallow here. I would really like to point this out. Looking your best doesn't mean that you always you are very shallow, you're just going by looks all the time. No, see, whatever you're doing, whatever may be your field, the way you look and the way you present yourself to the world talks about who you are and what you are. And there's a saying, and it goes something like this: the way you do something is the way you do everything. So if you take care of your appearance, it kind of gives a more professional look to the world. Even if they don't know anything about you, they'll see, okay, she's put together, she definitely looks like she'll, whatever she does, she'll do it well. Now of course you have to be good at your job as well. It's not just all about the makeup here. Okay, so to make it super simple for everyone, and for myself included, first of all, matching the right shade of foundation is important. I've spoken about this as well, but that's a bit of a complex process. A lot of people go wrong, so you need a bit more training on that. But the general rule of thumb is go for a shade, same shade as your skin, not a shade darker, not a shade lighter, and that's going to give you that glow. But to make it simple, I've come across an amazing product which I think I'm going to stick to for looks like it the rest of my life as of now. And before I show it to you, please understand something. It is not a promotion. I just came across this and I totally have fallen in love with it. It has made my makeup routine so simple, so easy, that I just want to share it with everybody, and you can try it for yourself if you want to. That is, it's purely your choice. So this is a CC cream. It's from the company Oriflame, Giordano Gold CC cream. It has a lot of benefits. Firstly, SPF 35, anti-aging benefits, moisturizing benefits, and color correction. A lot of us go wrong in color correction. So there are color correction is one of the important parts of makeup, but this cream here makes it so easy for you. You just have to apply a little bit. There are two shades in this. One is for a darker skin tone and the other is for the lighter skin tone. So depending on where you fall, you can definitely get this. Now there are a lot of other CC creams and BB creams out in the market, but I have never tried them. And for me, it's very important, if the company is ethical, it's organic, I want to know they put best practices in manufacturing their products. And so when I came across this brand, I tried it out and I'm happy with almost all of their products, but right now I'm just sticking to this one. This has made makeup so easy for me, the quickest, easiest, simplest thing ever. But of course, if you have a lot of skin issues, this may not be enough to cover it. So for like day-to-day makeup, or you're just going out somewhere, you can definitely try this. In case you want to know more about this, leave your message in the comments and I'll get back to you, because it's not available. It's not off the shelf, so only people who are associated with the company can help you with it. So do get back to me in case you want to try it. For me, it's a game changer. I just love it. I've recommended it all to my family and friends and they are loving it too. It's a 1-2 minute job and you're done. So anyway, so today I will just stick to these 3 common makeup mistakes. Hope you like this information and the content. If you did, please like, share, subscribe and stay with me and stay with the channel, and also follow us on Instagram. And please remember to visit the online jewelry store inaipearls.com for all your jewelry and styling needs. And we have some great offers going on. Please grab them before they end. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you soon.